wonder why it's so hard to fall asleep or why you wake up feeling tired even after a full 8 hours in bed? The answer might be melatonin, your body's natural timekeeper, being totally thrown off by your evening habits. Once the sun sets and it starts getting dark, your brain slowly starts producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. It's nature's way of telling your body, the day is done, it's time to wind down. But there is a critical window in the evening, from around 6 p.m. until bedtime, where you can easily mess that process up without even realizing it. So, what to do during that time to boost your sleep quality? Hack number 1. Dim the lights. Did you know that blue light from your phone, laptop and TV tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime and stops melatonin from kicking in? Here is how to fix it. Try digital-free evenings. Put down your phone, shut the laptop, and turn off the TV at least 2 hours before bed. Instead, read a book, listen to an audiobook, or chill with a relaxing playlist. If you have to use a device, turn on night mode and lower the screen brightness. After 6 p.m., switch off bright overhead lights and stick to soft and warm lighting. Look for bulbs labeled soft white, warm white, amber, or candle light. Or get a dimmer switch, super helpful for setting the evening vibe. Hack number 2. Make your bedroom a sleep oasis. Here's the deal. A dark, cool, and fresh-aired bedroom boosts melatonin, helps you fall asleep faster, and makes your sleep deeper. Try this. Close the curtains or install blackout blinds to keep it dark. If you can't do that, use a soft sleep mask. Super simple and super effective. Set your room to the sweet spot, around 64.4 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. No AC? No problem. Open a window and let in some fresh air for 10 to 15 minutes before bed. If it's safe and quiet, you can leave it slightly open all night. Hack number 3. Stop eating and drinking late. Late night snacks and drinks might feel cozy, but they can make your body too busy digesting to actually rest. Here is what to do. Finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. That gives your body time to digest and chill. Avoid heavy, greasy meals, sugary snacks, and lots of carbs before bed. They mess with your blood sugar and keep your brain alert. Avoid energy drinks, soda, caffeine after 2 p.m., and even black tea. And skip the alcohol at least 4 hours before bed. It might help you fall asleep faster, but it totally wrecks the quality of your sleep, especially deep REM sleep. Hack number 4. Relax like it's your job. Even if you turn off the screens and eat early, your brain can still be in overdrive, especially after a stressful day or emotional binge watching. So, here is how to switch gears and actually relax. Take a warm shower or bath 1 to 2 hours before bed. If you want extra zen, add a few drops of essential oil to a diffuser. Listen to calming music 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Go for chill instrumentals, nature sounds, or ambient music. Try breathing techniques. Something as simple as 6 slow breaths per minute can calm your nervous system and help you emotionally reset. Check out this 5-minute box breathing exercise to feel totally chill before sleep. Practice progressive muscle relaxation. It's like hitting the off switch on your body. You consciously relax each muscle group and your brain gets the message. It's time to sleep. Try this progressive muscle relaxation. It's just 10 minutes but feels amazing. Hack number 5. Move your body. Did you know that a regular physical activity helps regulate your body clock, lowers cortisol, and makes you ready for rest at night? Try this. Pick something simple. A walk after work, a little dance session at home, a short bike ride, or just getting off the bus one stop earlier. Try yoga or stretching 30 to 60 minutes before bed. It helps your muscles relax and your nervous system settle down. Start small. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to start building the habit. Need motivation? Check out this video on how movement benefits your body and mind. Here is bonus tip. While movement is awesome, intense workouts too late in the evening can mess up your sleep. Things like lifting heavy, running or swimming raise cortisol, body temp, and heart rate, and your body needs a few hours to calm down. So ideally, finish intense exercise by 6 to 7 p.m. But I know life happens. If you can only work out in the evening, just end your session with a good stretch to cool down and some slow breathing before bed. Which of these sleep hacks sounds like the most helpful to you? And why? Drop a comment and let me know. Check out this video with 3 self-care habits for busy lives that take only 15 minutes a day. Thanks for watching and see you next time.